Hi guys, this is just welcoming my new channel, and it's Hells Bells Rock Chick, my new channel, and it's just basically, it's going to be the fun side, the serious side, and basically start on my new life, because I've deleted everything. Well, I'm going to delete, well, not going to delete the old YouTube channel, because it's got some of the videos of Dougie on, which I want to keep, but I'm just starting fresh from Facebook and also YouTube. So hello guys. You have to add me, but add me with a style. Do not bully me. These are the warnings. Do not bully me. You get blocked, because I've had enough bullies. It's been going on for 3 months now, cyberbullying, and it's just, today has brought the limit. Put it that way, guys. Put it that way. So, guys, I am feeling a little bit better, but I'm still ill with what's going through me. I'm going to get myself to the doctor either tomorrow or Tuesday, if I've got time on Tuesday. My head's all over, guys. It literally is all over. But I hope you like my new channel. I will get it up and running when I can. Trying to figure out how to do the photo bit, which is a bit complicated. So any of my subscribers subscribed me from my old channel, please subscribe me to my new channel. Thank you, and I love you all. Be cool, be happy, stay tuned. L4O2. Love you guys.